Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 2016 Q2 BRG ARCHIBUS Users Group. We're happy you could join us today for our session. We're looking forward to a great lineup. Let's take a look at our agenda. As you can see, today is going to be jam-packed with ARCHIBUS know-how from an all-star cast. We'll open with a welcome and a BRG JLL acquisition overview from Reeves Davis, and then we'll move into new strategic financial analysis activity, asset management, and team space from Russell Wilmer. Then we'll hear Masai Ko speak about mobile, energy management, and building operations improvements, and he'll go through the homepage editor, strategic space planning updates, publishing and viewing 3D enhancements, and smart client enhancements. Finally, we'll wrap up with Todd Hutton and a look at QA data quality and OSIS kiosks. As I mentioned before, we have a great group of presenters today. Reeves Davis is the Vice President of the BRG ARCHIBUS practice. Russell Wilmer and Masai Ko are both BRG Solutions consultants, and Todd Hutton is the BRG Senior Director of the ARCHIBUS practice. Thanks for developing this presentation for us today, guys. As a reminder, if you have any questions throughout today's session, please use the WebEx Q&A feature or the chat feature to log your questions, and we'll try to get to them as soon as we can. Now I'll turn it over to Reeves to dive into today's virtual users group.
Welcome, everybody. This is Reeves Davis, as Nicole said. Thank you all for joining us today. We've got a packed agenda of topics. There's just a tremendous amount to cover. The first thing that I wanted to start with is, as Nicole mentioned on the front end, and I'm sure many of you have discussed this with folks at BRG, is some exciting news. As of a few weeks ago, we have announced that we are joining forces with JLL, or Jones Lang LaSalle, to form a new part of their organization that I want to tell you a little bit about today. But first, I want to start with giving you an overview of who JLL is and what we hope this means in a very positive way for you. It's been very exciting for us. When I say it's exciting news, it literally has been in the news. Articles in the Wall Street Journal, tremendous amount of coverage online that has been overwhelmingly positive about the two organizations joining forces. At a glance, from a JLL perspective, we want you to understand who JLL is. They're a global professional services and investment management firm that specializes in real estate. Again, the emphasis for BRG for years has been on advisory, technology, and staff extension services for facilities and real estate, and the alignment of our two organizations just made a tremendous amount of sense. JLL immediately provides us with a global platform to support all of you. There's over 280 global offices in 80 countries. The organization is based here in Chicago, though, in North America. And we are tremendously excited to be joining forces. Overall, from a service offering perspective, what you'll find if you're curious or you do a little research is that JLL services span the entire corporate real estate life cycle for any number of different industries, from banking and healthcare to manufacturing and technology, and also with a specific specialization in government and university settings, of which we have a lot of clients in the ARCHIBUS practice. Overall, JLL offers services for property and facilities management, leasing, capital markets, project and development services, advisory services for workplace strategy, technology, sustainability, as well as investment management for real estate projects. It truly is an end-to-end offering that some organizations utilize all of, and many other ones utilize only a certain subset of those. Certainly not our intent to force you to engage with us on all fronts, but we do hope you continue to find us to be a valued partner to provide your technology services and to take a look at what else we can do for you. So one of the big questions that we always get as we discuss this with our clients is, how does BRG fit into this global organization? It's a great question. JLL is organized today with specific specialties around integrated facilities management, project and development services, integrated portfolio services, and markets. What you'll find here in the areas that are marked purple is where BRG services will be integrated into the broader JLL footprint.